Packing up for a new place is the start of a whole new chapter. But it always comes with that one chore that we'd pretty much all rather skip. The actual move. At Sonxplus, we're not gonna pack your boxes for you, but we can take care of reinstalling all your electronics. We've got over 100 technicians out on the road across Ontario and Quebec, and they're right here to save you a massive headache. We've got the expertise and the equipment to run wires in your wall, your ceiling, and make all the connections. Maybe it's the perfect time to upgrade your tech. Did you know Sonxplus has nearly 20 stores where we can help you find the right gear for your needs? We can calibrate your devices, fine-tune your setup, and show you how it all works. Sonxplus is a local business with local people, offering real, personalized service. Drop by and see us.